In the chapter 11, Global Supply Chain Operations, I learned the global supply chain are complex and dynamic systems that require constant adaptation to maintain efficiency and competitiveness. Also, reflecting on global supply chain operations can help identify potential areas for improvement, optimize processes, and ensure long-term success. Global supply chain operations companies can uncover inefficiencies, mitigate risk, and enhance their overall supply chain performance, positioning themselves for long-term success in a increasingly interconnected global market.